Dear Tapasyans, due to time restriction, we are starting the program. A very warm welcome to everyone present over here for Intermediate Results Success Meet 2024-2025. It is indeed a moment of immense pride and joy as we gather to celebrate the outstanding success of our students. A success that reflects the strength of our vision, the excellence of our curriculum and high standards of academics offered at Tapasya. Tapasya, the vibrant hub for integrated courses like CLAT, IBMAT, CA, CMA and an innovative approach of HEG with IAS Foundation. It's a 5-year integrated program. Tapasya stands apart from other colleges with its unique versatility and unwavering commitment to excellence. What truly sets Tapasya apart is its focus on every individual student, nurturing not just academic success but also personal growth. Year after year, Tapasyans raise the bar by breaking their own records with a remarkable number of students consistently securing above 95% marks. The college boasts one of the highest pass percentage in the academic landscape, the testament to its dedication and quality education. Tapasya is not just about academics, it is only college that equally encourages students and empowers students in both academic and non-academic pursuits. Here, excellence is a tradition and every student is prepared to shine. This achievement would not have been possible without the relentless efforts of our dedicated faculty whose commitment and nurturing young minds is truly commendable. We also extend our deepest appreciation to our academic heads whose constant support and guidance and leadership have been a backbone of every milestone we have achieved. Now I take great pride to invite our strongest pillars, the academic leaders of Tapasya. Sri Srihari Garu, Director of Tapasya Educational Institution. Next, Sri Srinivas Garu, Director Tapasya Education Institutions. Sri Venkareddy Garu, DGM Hostel Segment. Sri Satish Garu, DGM Latti Kapul and KB Branches. Sri Rajendra Prasad Garu, DGM Inter Academics. Sri Dr. Krishnamurthy Garu, DGM Narenguda and Secunderabad Branches. Sri D. Srinivas Garu, DGM Officer. Sri Dr. Suman Garu, AGM Degree Academics. Sri Tapasya Madam, Branch Head Travel. And Sri Raju Garu, Branch Head DSM. They should know. Please give them a big round of applause. And now, I invite the proud parents and shining stars of Tapasya. And I would like to request Suman sir and Sridhar sir to give away the prizes. Firstly, M. Sai Kumar of Turkanzar Boys Hostel, who secured 487 marks with 97.4%. Please give him a big round of applause. Next, SPP of Kukatali, who secured 487 marks with 97%. Next, Ashra Amin from Latikabur branch, 487 marks. S. Tejashwini from Latikabur branch, who secured 487 marks with 97%. J. Shalini from Dilshuknagar branch, who secured 487 marks with 97%. S. Sai Sharanya from Kukatpally branch, who secured 497. Please give them a big round of applause. Ashra Amin from Latikabur Inter, who secured 487 marks with 97.4%. Next, I would like to call S. Tejashwini from Latikabur branch with 487 marks with 97.4%.
Okay, sir.
Ashra Mahi. Next, S. Tejashwini from Latikabur branch. Next, I invite J. Shalini from Dilshuknagar branch, who secured 487 marks with 97.4%. Next, Kukatpally branch, S. Sai Sharanya, who secured 487 marks with 97.4%. And Pranav Shatvik from Secunderabad branch, who secured 487 marks with 97.4%. Next, G. Jayasuriya Reddy from Durganzal Hostel branch, who secured 488 marks.
Good evening, everyone. From our Dilshuknagar branch, the girl Sai Satvika, who secured 488 marks out of 500. She is not able to come, but her proud mother wanted to witness this success. So I would like to call upon the stage Mrs. Mahalakshmi, who is going to cherish the moment.
Next, I would like to call Radhika Singha from Narayanguda Tapasya, who secured 488 marks. Radhika. Next, from Secunderabad branch, Subramaniam Tanish Reddy, who secured 488 marks.
చూడండి అయిపోతుంది.
Next I call upon S. Sai Satvika from Dilshuk Nagar branch who secured 488 marks with 97.6%. S. Sai Satvika. Next S. Ujjwal from Secunderabad branch who secured 488 marks with 97.6%. S. Ujjwal. Next I invite D. Shivakarthik Reddy from Turkanjal Boys Branch, Boys Hostel, who secured 488 marks with 97.6%. D. Shivakarthik from Turkanjal Boys Hostel.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Next I call C.H. Charan Tesh from Turkanjal Boys Hostel who secured 488 marks with 97.6%. C.H. Charan Tesh. Next A. Vishal from Turkanjal Boys Hostel who secured 489 marks with 97.8%. I request all the hostel boys to come front. Next I would like to call Akshay Agarwal from Narayanguda branch who secured 489 marks with 97.8%. Next I would like to call M. Prakyati from Dilshuk Nagar branch who secured 489 marks with 97.8%. I would like to invite Sri Venkat Reddy sir, DGM hostel segment, to give away the prizes. Sri Shivakarthik Reddy from Turkanjal hostel branch who secured 488 marks with 97.6%. Next CH Charan Tesh from Turkanjal Boys branch.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, కొంచెం మిడిల్కి రా.
Next, I would like to invite M. Prakyati from Dilshuk Nagar branch to be ready near the dais. Next, Saida Lydia Fatima from Latikabul branch. C.H. Krishna Abhiram from Secunderabad branch. Krishna Abhiram. I would like to invite the Srinivas Garu DGM officer. Please.
సార్ కొంచెం అదైతే
Next, I would like to call D. Likita Sri from Dilshuk Nagar branch with with 489 marks to secure 97.8%. Next, I would like to call S. Mehak from Charnar branch who secured 489 marks with 97.8%. Next, B. Saviti from the Yashwanagar hostel branch who secured 489 marks with 97.8%. I request B. Sahiti. Next, I would like to call C.H. Rashtra Vaishnavi from Kukatpalli branch who secured 489 marks with 97.8%. C.H. Rashtra. Next, M. Sanvit Reddy from Turkansar Boys branch. Boys hostel with 490 marks to secure 98%. Next, G. Mohan Dikshit from Turkansar Boys hostel with 490 marks with 98%. D. Shrikant Reddy from Turkansar Boys hostel branch with 490 marks with 98%. Next, B. Shrikant Reddy from Turkansar Boys Hostel with 490 marks with 98%. Yes, Lashya Vaishnavi. Next, I would like to call P. Spurti from Yashwanagar hostel branch with 490 marks with 98%. P. Spurti from Yashwanagar girls hostel branch. Next, G. Abhinav from Kukatpalli branch who secured 490 marks with 98%. Next, K. Kirtana from Narayanguda branch who secured 490 marks with 98%. Next, T. Rohit Reddy from the Yashwanagar branch who secured 490 marks with 98%. Next, E. Likita Reddy from Latikapul Inter branch with 490 marks with 98%. Next, Syed Faizan Ahmed with 490 marks with 98%. Latikapul branch. Next, Mohammad Abdul Rahman Ali. Next, Mohammad Abdul Rahman Ali from Latikapul branch with 490 marks, 98%. Next, Atiya Mansoor from Latikapul branch with 490 marks with 98%. Next, I would like to call A. Pranavi from the Yashwanagar girls hostel who secured 490 marks with 98%. Next, Vaishnavi Vyas from Narayanguda Tapasya who secured 490 marks with 98%. Next, M. Varun from Turkansar Boys Hostel who secured 490 marks with 98%. Next, A. Pujit Kumar with Turkansar Boys Hostel who secured 491 marks with 98.2%. I would like to invite Dr. Krishnamurthy sir to give away the prizes. Vibhuti sir and Prasad. Next B. Ritvik Reddy, Durgan sir, boys hostel with 491 marks.
ముందుకు రండి సార్, ముందుకు రండి. ఇంకొంచెం ముందు రండి, అక్కడే ఉండండి. ఓకే.
Next I call A. Ashwini from Dilshuknagar Girls Hostel who secured 491 marks with 98.2%.
నీకు నచ్చింది తీసుకో. నచ్చింది నేను ఇది చేసుకుంటాను.
Next I would like to call Sumaya Afrin from Dilshuknagar Girls Hostel who secured 491 marks with 98.2%.
వాయిస్ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
I request all the parents to cheer the kids. Next I would like to call Narayanguda branch D. Rishikesh who secured 491 marks with 98.2%. Next I would like to call N. Divya from Narayanguda branch who secured 491 marks with 98.2%. Next P. Abhinaya from Secunderabad branch. Sorry. Next I would like to call B. Abhimanyu from Secunderabad branch who secured 491 marks with 98.2%. Next I would like to call Mohammad Jafri Khan from Laddigabal branch who secured 491 marks with 98.2%. Next I would like to call Afra Farheen, Laddigabal branch who secured 491 marks with 98.2%. I invite Afra Farheen from Laddigabal branch who secured 491 marks with 98.2%. Next I would like to call B. Shenmukh from Madhapur Inter, Madhapur block who secured 491 marks with 98%. Now I invite A. Shravan from Shravani from Dilshuk Nagar Girls Hostel who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Now I invite S. Vamshi Krishna from Dulkamjal Boys Hostel who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next M. Vishwanath who secured 492 marks from Dulkamjal branch. M. Praveen from Dulkamjal Boys Hostel who secured 492 marks. And K. Siri from Dilshuk Nagar Hostel branch who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. I request Deepika Paul from Narayanguda Tapasya branch who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next I invite A. Sai Dutt from Narayanguda Tapasya branch with 492 marks, 98.4%. Please give them a big round of applause. Next I invite J. Vaishnavi from Narayanguda branch who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next, I would like to invite K. Bhargavi from Latikapul Elite branch who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next, I would like to invite K. Bhargavi from Latikapul Elite branch. Next, I request Vinit Yadav to please be ready near the dais. K. Satur from Latikapul branch. Next, I would like to invite the Manasa from Dilshuk Nagar Girls Hostel who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next, I would like to invite P. Siri from Dilshuk Nagar Girls Hostel who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next S. Pawan Kumar from Dilshuk Nagar branch who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next I invite B. Yashashvi Sai Surya from Kukarpalli branch who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. Next S. Ganesh from Kukarpalli branch who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. I request Pranav Suresh, Durgamjal Hostel branch to be ready. Next I invite K. Ramya Street from Narayanguda Tapasya who secured 492 marks with 98.4%. I request Pranav Suresh of Tulkansar Boys Hostel to be ready. I invite Ritu Biradar from Narayanguda, who secured 493 marks with 98.6%. I would like to invite K. Vaishnavi from Kukatpally branch, who secured 493 marks with 98.6%. K. Vaishnavi. Next, I would like to invite Pranav Pan from Narayanguda branch, who secured 493 marks with 98.6%. Next, I would like to call Syed Arman from Lucky Couple Elite branch. Syed Arman from Lucky Couple Elite branch, who secured 493 marks with 98.6%. I request P. Prajapat from Lucky Couple branch to be ready near the dais. I request I invite P. Prajapat from Lucky Couple branch to secure 493 marks with 98.6%. A small request to parents whose vehicle number is AP22 AM 5137. It is blocking the way. I request the parent to remove the vehicle from the way. AP22 AM 513. Request K. Priyanka. Sorry. I request K. Parinika Reddy from Dilshad Nagar campus to secure 493 marks with 98.6%. I request B. Vaishali from Dilshad Nagar branch to secure 493 marks with 98.6%. I request K. Bhargavi Reddy from Dilshad Nagar hostel branch to secure 493 marks with 98.6%. Next, I request Venkat from Dilshad Nagar branch to secure 493 marks. Okay. Now I like to invite J. Chandrika from Narayanguda branch to secure 494 marks from 98.8%. I invite Sagar Prashant from Narayanguda branch who secured 494 marks with 98.8%. I request K. Sai Ritvik of Narayanguda branch who secured 494 marks with 98.8%.
Santu.
I request Akshay Sharma of Ladvikapul Aided Branch to please be ready near the dais. M. Sahayati of Ladvikapul Branch.
ఓకేనా నడు అక్కడ సెట్టింగ్లు చేస్తాడండి మా సెల్ ఫోన్లో కూడా సెట్టింగ్లు చేస్తాడు
Sai Ritvik from Narayanguda branch who secured 494 marks. I invite A. Akshay Sharma from Ladvikapul Aided branch who secured 494 marks with 98.8%. I request N. Sahayati from Ladvikapul branch who secured 494 marks with 98.8%. I request T. Dishant of Secunderabad branch to please be ready near the dais. G. Varun Chaudhary from Tulkanjan Hostel branch, boys hostel. A. Abhiram Gaur. Bhargavi from hostel branch. K. Bhargavi Reddy from Nishinagar Girls Hostel branch. I invite N. Sai Dishant from Secunderabad branch who secured 494 marks with 98.8%. Now I would like to invite N. Sai Saraya from Narayanguda branch who secured 494 marks with 98.8%. Now I would like to invite CEC toppers A. Ashrita from Narayanguda Tapasya who secured 485 marks with 97%. I request Rishika Agarwal from Narayanguda branch to please be ready. A. Ashrita from Narayanguda Tapasya who secured 485 marks with 97%. Please be. I request Rishika Agarwal from Narayanguda Tapasya who secured 485 marks. I invite B. Shivakumar from Kukatpalli branch who secured 486 marks with 97.2%. I invite Kashish, T. Kashish from Kukatpalli branch who secured 487 marks with 97.4%. J. Abhinav from Kukatpalli branch who secured 488 marks with 97.6%. I invite J. Abhinav from Kukatpalli branch. I invite Aisha Begum from Applicable Branch who secured 489 marks. I invite E. Sai Dutt from Narayanguda Branch who secured 481 marks. 489 marks with 98.8%. Aisha Begum from Applicable Branch. I invite from Kukatpally Branch, Shanmugh Samyukta Prashanti. KCV from Dilshuk Nagar Branch. I would like to invite Srihari Sir, Srinivas Garu, Venkareddy Sir, Satish Garu, and Prasad Sir, Sri Srinivas Sir Garu, Shimal Garu, Tabassu Madam. To facilitate the candidates of today who secured top marks, the toppers of the day with 495 marks, you Rohit Reddy from Durganjar Boys Hostel, Fatima from Shadina with 495 marks, A. Jitendra Reddy from Dilshuk Nagar Campus 495 marks, D. Harita Bhargavi, Kukatpally Branch with 495 marks, E. Neha Raj, Applicable Branch with 495 marks, E. Janita Par with 495 marks from Narayanguda Branch. I request the proud parents and my stars of the day to please come on to the dais. I invite Firdaus Fatima from Chadna Branch who secured 495 marks with 99%. You Rohit Reddy from Durganjar Hostel Branch. L. Vardhan from Durganjar Hostel Branch. Jitendra Reddy from Dilshuk Nagar Branch. I invite Jitendra Reddy. I invite P. Harita Bhargavi from Kukatpally Branch to secure 495 marks with 99%.
Out.
I invite T. Neha Raj from Applicable Branch with 495 marks with 99%. I invite Jenisa Pearl from Narayanguda branch who secured 495 marks with 99%.
This side.
Now I would like to invite S. Manasa from Secunderabad branch, the pride of the day, who secured the top first rank with 496 marks with 98.2%. Please give a big round of applause. She's from NEC Secunderabad branch.
One second, sir.
పాప ముందుకు రామా, పాప కొంచెం ముందురా.
Now I would like to invite P. Samyukta Parthasarathi from CEC, Kukatpalli branch, who secured state first rank with 492 marks with 98.4%. I congratulate all.
Okay. Name it, Adegi.
We want to be here. Come. Sing to our
Boys, I do not want Okay, right.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఈరోజు విడుదలైన తెలంగాణ ఇంటర్ బోర్డు ఫలితాల్లో గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఈరోజు విడుదలైన తెలంగాణ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఫలితాల్లో తపస్య విద్యార్థులు 131 స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టేట్ టాప్ 10 పొజిషన్లో నిలబడడం జరిగింది. వారిలో జూనియర్ ఇంటర్లో సాయనగరి మానస 496 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 500 సాధించి ఎంఈసీ విభాగంలో స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ సాధించడం జరిగింది. అదేవిధంగా సిఈసిలో సంయుక్త 492 సాధించి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 500కి ఫస్ట్ సాధించడం జరిగింది. సీనియర్ ఎంఈసీలో తరణి 986 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 1000 మార్క్స్. అదేవిధంగా సిఈసి సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో జ్యోత్స్న అంకం శ్రీజ బోత్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా 985 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 1000 మార్కులు సాధించడం జరిగింది. ఈ మార్కులు టాప్ మార్కులన్నీ కూడా ఇది 12th ఇయర్ కంటిన్యూస్ మార్క్స్. ఇలా మార్క్స్ రావడానికి కారణం, ఈ టాప్ మార్క్స్ రావడానికి కారణం మా తపస్య టీచింగ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ యొక్క కమిట్మెంట్ దీనికి నిదర్శనం. అదేవిధంగా కంటిన్యూస్గా స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ పేరెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ యొక్క డ్రీమ్స్ని అచీవ్ చేసుకోవడానికి తపస్యాన్ని ఎంచుకోవడంలో అందుకని ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ తెలియజేస్తున్నాయి. మరొకసారి బలంగా చెప్పగలుగుతాం. తపస్యాకి సాటి ఎవరు లేరు, పోటీ ఎవరు లేరు అని చెప్పడంలో ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ని మీకు నిదర్శనంగా తెలియజేస్తాను. తపస్య నుంచి 6,700 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎగ్జామ్కి అపీర్ అయ్యారు. 71 పాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ వచ్చింది. వాటిలో ఏ గ్రేడు 2,276 స్టూడెంట్స్కి రావడం జరిగింది. అదేవిధంగా ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ రావడానికి కారణం కంటిన్యూస్గా మైక్రో షెడ్యూల్, మా టీచింగ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ యొక్క కంటిన్యూస్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ అండ్ స్లో లెర్నర్స్పై ప్రత్యేకమైన ఫోకస్, స్టూడెంట్ ఎవాల్యూషన్ కంటిన్యూస్గా, వీటి వల్లనే ఇంత అద్భుతమైన మార్కులు సాధించడం జరిగింది. ఇంతటి ఘన విజయాన్ని సాధించినందుకు మా విద్యార్థులకు, వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు, టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్కి మరియు నాన్ టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్కి మా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇంటర్మీడియట్తో పాటు నేషనల్ లెవెల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అయిన సిఏ, క్లాట్, ఐపీమ్యాట్, సియూటీలో కూడా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇవ్వటం వల్ల వాళ్ళకి ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అయిపోయినాక టైం వేస్ట్ కాకుండా ఇమీడియట్గా ఎలిజిబిలిటీ సాధించడానికి 2 years పాటు కంటిన్యూస్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇవ్వటం వలన ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ వచ్చినాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. క్వశ్చన్స్? ఎస్, వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా కామర్స్ అండ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ గుర్తొచ్చే తపస్యనే. ఇజ్ ఇట్ రైట్? ఎస్. మానస్ సార్.
Everyone, I'm Mamsa from Tapasya Junior College, Paradise Branch. I'm standing here for securing 496 out of 500. I would like to thank all the parents and teachers who supported me in very well manner. And I would like to thank my parents who always believe in me and supporting me. And of course, I would like to thank my DGM sir, Krishnamurthy sir, our principal ma'am, Sarita ma'am, and our vice principal ma'am, Kavita ma'am. Thanks a lot. Good evening everyone. Myself Samyukta. I secured 492 out of 500, which is 98.4%. I really feel grateful to my parents and the management. The teaching is very they put a lot of efforts and they teach very well. And I also be grateful to my parents. But unfortunately, my father is out of station. Thank you.
Nothing to worry. Taruni, senior intern. She's there? Please come there. Josna, Uncle Srija.
Josna is absent.
Taruni, please. మాట్లాడు ఫ్రీగా మాట్లాడాలి.
Good evening everyone. I am Tanni from Paradise Secunderabad branch. I have secured 986 out of 1000. So I am very happy that I have secured the state mark, and I am very glad that I have secured. So I thank my parents for believing in me, and I thank DGM sir, Krishnamurthy sir, Kavita ma'am, and Sarita ma'am, our principal ma'am. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అంకం శ్రీజ లేదా జ్యోత్స్న? మహాలక్ష్మి మేడం, జ్యోత్స్న ఇస్తాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్నాడు. మీడియా మిత్రులు కూడా ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలు. హిందీ మేము
ఆగు. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్
రికార్డింగ్ అవుతుంది చూసి
మీ లెక్చరర్స్, మీ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అందరూ కూడా వస్తారు. ఈరోజు విడుదలైన తెలంగాణ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఫలితాల్లో తపస్య విద్యార్థులు 131 స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టేట్ టాప్ 10 పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నారు. వారిలో సాయన్న గారి మానస 496 సాధించి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 500కి స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ మార్క్ సాధించడం జరిగింది. సిఈసి విభాగంలో సంయుక్త 492 సాధించి స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ మార్క్ సాధించడం జరిగింది. అదేవిధంగా సీనియర్ ఎంఈసీలో అంకం శ్రీజ జోస్నావులు సిఈసిలో స్టేట్ టాప్ మార్క్ సాధించడం జరిగింది. తరుణి 986 సాధించి స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ మార్క్ సాధించడం జరిగింది. తపస్య నుంచి 7000 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎగ్జామ్కి అపీర్ కావడం జరిగింది. వీరిలో 71% స్టూడెంట్స్ పాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ రావడం జరిగింది. వీటిలో ఎక్కువగా తపస్య టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్ యొక్క కంటిన్యూస్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ వల్ల, మైక్రో షెడ్యూల్స్ వల్ల, స్టూడెంట్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్, స్లో లెర్నర్స్ మీద స్పెషల్ ఫోకస్ వల్ల స్టూడెంట్స్కి 2200 స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఏ గ్రేడ్ రావడం జరిగింది. అదేవిధంగా సిటీలో కామర్స్ అండ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే తపస్య ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ కంటిన్యూస్గా 12 years నుంచి వస్తున్నవి. ఈ తపస్యకి సాటి ఎవరు లేరు, దీనికి పోటీ ఎవరు లేరు అనడానికి ఈ యొక్క రిజల్ట్సే ఉదాహరణ. తపస్య ఇంటర్మీడియట్తో పాటు నేషనల్ లెవెల్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అయిన సిఏ, క్లాట్, ఐపీ మ్యాట్, సియూటీ ఎంట్రన్స్లను కూడా ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇవ్వడం వల్ల టైం వేస్ట్ కాకుండా మంచి ర్యాంకులు సాధించడానికి స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎక్కువ అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ అనండి.
Now I'll take a moment to invite Mukesh Asia from Secunderabad branch to secure 980 marks with 98%. Sorry, Mosh from Secunderabad branch.
అటుకైతే వెళ్ళాలి.
Next I'd like to invite Govardhan. Now I'd like to invite Govardhan Kavya Amruta from Lakdikappan Elite branch to secure 980 marks with 98%. I request B. Srivarsha from Narayanguda branch to be ready. Now I invite B. Srivarsha from Narayanguda branch to secure 980 marks with 98%. I request C.H. Sanvi to be ready near the desk from Narayanguda branch. I invite C.H. Sanvi from Narayanguda branch to secure 980 marks with 98%. I request Saida Rukia from Tamna branch to please be ready. I invite Saida Rukia from Chamna branch to secure 980 marks with 98%. I request Mohammad Irfan from Kukatpalli branch to please be ready. I invite Mohammad Irfan from Kukatpalli branch. I request Jay Sai Kiran from Secunderabad branch to please be ready. I invite Jay Sai Kiran from Secunderabad branch to secure 981 marks with 98.1%. G. Sai Varshini, please be ready near the dash. Lakdikappan branch. Shanmugha from Narayanguda branch who secured 981 marks with 98.1%. Dear parents, please give them a big round of applause. Please encourage them. I invite T. Nishika from Dilshad Nagar Girls Hostel. Next I invite Dharani Shreyas from Dukanjal Boys who secured 983 marks. I invite T. Venkateshwarlu, Dukanjal Boys branch. I invite D. Venkateshwarlu from Dukanjal Boys Hostel branch who secured 983 marks with 98.3%. I invite G. Sai Varshini from Ladikapur branch who secured 981 marks. G. Sai Varshini from Ladikapur branch who secured 981 marks with 98.1%. I invite Tanmay Kirtana from Kukatpalli branch. Tanmay Kirtana from Kukatpalli branch who secured 981 marks. I invite Hania Punaina from Secunderabad branch who secured 983 marks. I invite Siddham Rajalakshmi from Dilshad Nagar Hostel branch with 984 marks. She is taking on behalf of Siddham Rajalakshmi from Dilshad Nagar Girls Hostel branch. I invite K. Sahasra from Dilshad Nagar branch to secure 985 marks. A. Sahasra from Dilshad Nagar branch. Next I invite Saida Danin. I invite Saida Danin from Charminar branch to secure 985 marks with 98.5%. I invite G. Lakshmi Anirudh from Secunderabad branch to secure 985 marks with 98.5%. I invite Laksh from Narayanguda branch with 985 marks with 98.5%. I invite Laksh from Narayanguda branch who secured 985 marks with 98.5%. Now I invite A. Jahanavi from CEC who secured 972 marks from Dilshuk Nagar Girls Hostel branch. I invite M. Mahima from Dilshuk Nagar branch who secured 973 marks. I invite P. Krutika Reddy from Narayanguda who secured 973 marks with 97.3%. M. Mahima from Dilshuk Nagar branch who secured 973 marks. I invite P. Krutika Reddy from Narayanguda branch. Kritika from Narayanguda branch who secured 973 marks. I invite Saida Afra Razi from Ladikapur branch who secured 977 marks. I invite Saida Samira to please be ready. Saida Afra Razi from Ladikapur branch who secured 977 marks. I invite Saida Samira Hasmi from Chandna branch to secure 978 marks. I request Nikita Thakur, Hania, Vedika to please be near the dais. Saida Samira Hasmi from Chandna branch to secure 978 marks. I invite Nikita Thakur from Ladikapur branch to secure 979 marks. I invite Hania Khan from Narayanguda branch to secure 980 marks with 98%. Dear parents, please cheer up. I invite Vedika from Narayanguda branch to secure 983 marks with 98.3%. I invite Rudrani Dikshit from Narayanguda branch to secure 983 marks. I invite CH Manika from Dilshuk Nagar branch to secure 983 marks. I invite White Army to secure 986 marks with the top state top rank. White Army Akanksha. From Secunderabad branch to secure top rank. I invite Ankam Srija to secure 985 marks. I invite Mohammad Owais from Charminar branch to secure 485 marks. I invite Neha Nazir, Takam Fatima from Charminar branch. Takrim Fatima from Charminar branch. Srinidhi from Dulkamsar Girls Hostel who secured 976 marks. I invite Soumya from Dulkamsar Girls Hostel who secured 939 marks. I invite Tej Siri from the Dulkamsar Girls Hostel. I invite Manika from Dilshuk Nagar Girls Hostel. I invite K. Siri from Junior from Durganjar Girls Hostel. Afrin from Girls Hostel who secured 491 marks. A. Hindu from Girls Hostel who secured 491 marks. J. Vaishnavi from Nairanguda who secured 492 marks. The Durganjar Boys Branch. I invite all the Dilshuk Nagar stars of Tapasya to please come to the dais for the group photo along with their principal and hierarchy from the branch. Jitendra Reddy, Priyanka, Vaishali, Sai, Satvika, Shalini, and second year Sahasra. I invite all the academic team to please come onto the dais for the group photo. I invite Dilshuk Nagar staff, if anyone available, to please come onto the dais. I request all the KP staff, KP toppers, principal ma'am, invite Abhiram from hostel branch, Soumya, Srinidhi. From girls hostel branch, who couldn't get their prizes, I invite them to take their prizes. all the staff, vertical head, merchandise head. I request all the Narayanguda toppers, please come and gather near the desk.
Thank you.
I request all the Narayanguda staff available. Krishnamurthy sir, DGM, merchandise sir, vertical head, and all the toppers to please come on to the dash.
सुब्रत मैडम इकडे जा चेक
I request all the Secunderabad toppers, Principal Sarita ma'am, Vice Principal Kavita madam, and all the available faculty to please come onto the dash. Hostel faculty and toppers to please be ready for the group photo. All the hostel boys and girls to please be ready near the dash. All the hostel bench, boys and girls, principal sir. I request all the Lagdikapur toppers, principal sir, principal ma'am and all the available faculty to please be ready near the desk.
All the best.
I invite Aditya Senior who means to take his bouquet. From Sulkansal Boys Branch. Adore the stage.
Thank you. All the best. Thank you, madam.
I request all the Charnak toppers, principal Tabassum ma'am and the hierarchy, the faculty present over there. I request all the Madhapur toppers, principal ma'am, Suman sir, to please accompany and adore the stage.
Only one single branch of 50 members. In that 50 members also we Thank you.
Vote of thanks. I sincerely thanks to all the parents who attended this success meet of intermediate rankers. On behalf of Tapasya Education Institution, I really appreciate your patience and your continuous support. It is the 12th consecutive year we got the ranks and we need your support continuously. Please extend your support for the upcoming years, and we promise you, definitely, we are there by the students all the time, and our academic team, our faculties, our management all the time with you in supporting in all academics. I thank you, the director Srihari sir, and the director Srinu sir, and all my colleagues DGMs who just given their valuable time for the success meet. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Good evening everyone, myself Harita from KP branch and I am studying MEC plus CA and I have scored 495 out of 500 and I am very glad that I have scored this high score and I am very thankful to my parents, my faculty, my management and everyone from my college of KP branch and I hope I will continue this further. Thank you.
Okay.
Myself Samyukta. I am studying from Tapasya KPHP branch. I am from CEC group. I secured 492 out of 500 which is 98.4%. I am very grateful to the management, the DGM, Satish sir and my parents and also teachers. Thank you for your guidance.
Good evening everyone, myself Tanmay. I am from KP branch of Tapasya College. I have scored 981 out of 1000 and I am very grateful for what I have scored. I would like to thank my parents, teachers and my faculty of Tapasya KP branch. And this is all because of them. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, I am Sayyida Afra Razvi and recently I have completed my intermediate from Tapasya Junior College, Lakdikapul and I have secured 977 marks which is 97.7% and I owe this rank to my college where I met with the most encouraging, well qualified and very supporting teachers. I especially thank Mayuri ma'am, Vice Principal of Tapasya and Sabita ma'am, Swapna ma'am. They have helped me a lot and thank you, that's what I'm very proud to be the student of Tapasya. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I am from Tapasya CEC Taksh and I have scored 979 out of 1000 and I extend my heartfelt wishes to my parents and teachers. I think they are the epitome of my success. Tapasya College has provided me comprehensive education experience that blended my practical application and I thank each and every faculty and management who has always helped me in each and every step of my success and thank you so much.
Good evening everyone. I'm Neha Raj from Tapasya Lakdikapul branch. I have scored 495 out of 500 which is 99%. I would dedicate my marks and my results to my teachers and my parents who have supported me throughout the year and motivated me to get good results. The faculty in Tapasya is very good, focusing on each and every student. I would thank all my subject teachers and my Vice Principal Mayuri ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Atya Mansur Raichuri. I am from Junior MEC. I have secured 490 out of 500. I would like to thank my parents, teachers for guiding me in this journey. I would like to give special thanks to Vertical Head Rakesh sir, Vice Principal Mayuri ma'am, Kalavati ma'am, Vijay sir, RK sir for giving immense guidance, support and giving undivided attention. This journey would be incomplete without them. Thank you so much for the best faculty.
Good evening everyone, I am Manchiraju Sahithi and I have secured 494 out of 500 which is 98.8% in junior intermediate examinations. This journey would have been not possible without the support of my teachers and my parents who helped me throughout this academic year. Their support has been my strength throughout this year and I would really be, their helpful nature really helped me achieve this goal. The helpful nature and the kind environment in the Tapasya College really motivated me to study. I would like to thank my parents and teachers once again for this opportunity and this result. Thank you.
Good evening one and all. I am Shrija from DSNR Hostel branch and I would really thank to my lecturers who supported me, who motivated me and who encouraged me and also the management of hostel and I also thank to my father as well. Thank you dad.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm feeling very grateful to be here. This is Manika. I scored 983 in my intermediate. I'm really thankful to Tapasya Junior College. The faculty are really friendly and their guidance lead me to this success. And I thank to my parents. Their emotional support given a big role in my success. And the hostel facilities were very good. The friendly jails, they helped me a lot in my success, and thank you.
I am very grateful to be here in this event. I am R. Soumya Reddy from Tapasya Hostel Branch. I scored 979 and this hostel branch supported me very well, whereas lecturers and everyone had gave me much support and motivation. I am very grateful and giving my thanks to my parents and my faculty to make me this. Thank you.